Today we're down in Mission Viejo, California. My good friend Chris Forsberg hit me up and asked me if I'd do the cage in this 350Z, so of course I said yes. Making some pretty good progress on this thing. We just got the spider all done, which is what I call the main hoop, 8 pillars, and brow bar, kind of the main structure of the cage. I drop it down, weld the tops of it out so that the tubes are welded 100% all the way around. Now I'm gonna start to stitch weld these tubes to the chassis to make sure that this thing is extra stiff and extra strong, so that once we go out there and rally in this thing in the dirt, the chassis will be happy. Keeping this cage fairly simple, and that's gonna be important for this thing. Keeping it light, keeping it strong. I've been doing cages for about 5 or 6 years now. I'd say this is cage number 25 probably. I've even done a Z before, so this is kind of all familiar territory. So we got these base plates that we're welding in here right now. Now I'm just gonna start stitching this thing together and notch some more tubes and get it done.